Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install a hash full node wallet, also called a SilentDragon. For that we go to Hash official website, we click on applications, SilentDragon, then GitHub. Please make sure you install the new version, which is 1.0.0, because this is a mandatory update to support our migration to Z2Z and Blocktime Halving in November 2020. If you go to my hash/halving, you can see the exact date when the halving will happen. Then we scroll down and we find the binary which responds to our operating system. I'm using Windows today to have it downloaded. Okay, this is our download. We open, press SilentDragon, run. If you're installing it for the first time, it will take some time just because this is a full node. It's going to download all the information from the blockchain. Just don't panic and wait. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Okay, so this is the SilentDragon wallet. So what you can do in this wallet, if you go to File, you can click on Export all private keys. Then you can import a private key. Make sure you copy every single character. Your key starts with secret extended key and then ends up with the last character of your private key by itself. Then you press OK. Then you have a message saying that the private key is being imported. It may take some time for this to take place. Also, remember always to back up your private key. It is highly recommended not to copy and paste your private key, but type in character by character, because you never know what kind of application is running on your PC or desktop, and you don't know what they can do in the background with the copied information. When you exit the SilentDragon and any other wallet, go to File, Exit. This is going to be the safest way to exit this application. If for some reason you have any issues with the wallet, please go to our Telegram support chart and we will help you as much as we can. Please, before you report an error, make sure you let us know what kind of operating system you're using, all the specs of, and what kind of wallet version you're using. This will make our devs' lives much easier and help you as soon as possible and in the easiest way. Hash team recommends to use SilentDragon as a cold wallet and SilentDragon Lite as a hot wallet, which I will tell you about in my next episode. Only because SilentDragon Lite is more intended for our famous hash chat, where one hash equals 10,000 memos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel and our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye.